Super Zoom.
Alright, good morning guys, it's a little after 7:30. I'm starting a little bit later than I wanted to because I woke up late. I'm getting caffeinated, but I'm actually going to start this bird challenge here at home because I think there's probably a few that I can pick off in my backyard, hopefully. So I published a I put up a homemade tier list of how difficult I think it is going to be to catch or photograph some of these birds. It's completely made up. If we do this again some other day, I'll find a better way to do it. Might actually just hit the random button, will make it more interesting. Okay, so the plan is, I'll probably stay here for an hour or two, and then I'm quite fortunate in that the area around me, there's probably about 4 or 5 different biomes I can hit. So I'm going to pop up a mountain, then we'll hit the beach, then we'll make our way around the coast. After that we might come back in for a while, and then we'll head out to some marshland. There might be a lake as well, maybe? I don't know. But, small problem, the weather is meant to turn crap on me around early afternoon. So I've got the P1000 ready and I'm gonna, try and get this done as quickly as possible. I will check in throughout the day, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've come across to one of the local parks because I'm pretty sure in these trees I'm going to find some starling and some rosalia. Home didn't go so well this morning. I'm maybe sitting on 10 points. Lots of birds, none of them wanted photos. So we'll hang here for a little bit and then we'll head up the mountain. Okay, so I've come up here to North Head, which is quite a bushy little mountain, and what I'm hoping is that I'm going to be able to pick up some of these smaller forest birds, like the one behind me right now. It ran away. Come back. Yeah, and then once I hit the top, I might be able to see down into the ocean and pick up some of the larger seabirds. I had a good walk here. Picked up a magpie, that was good. Saw some swallows. Again, not exactly photogenic, so I'm hoping I do better up here. Mountain was reasonably successful. The problem now is that you can probably hear it's quite windy. So I think when the rain comes, it's going to be more of a storm. So I'm now sort of racing the weather to try and get as much done as possible. Yeah, so let's see behind me. I'm going to try and make my way around the coast there before the wind picks up. That's not a bird, that's a what they call parasites. Yes, that's where that's at. Alright, so I am off the beach now. It was reasonably successful. But I have just looked at the weather report and I think I have maybe an hour before it absolutely packs it in. So we're going to call this home stretch. And home stretch is going to be an area that I'm not actually very familiar with. So I'm hoping I can pick up some of the birds that I've missed coming off the beach and up the mountain. Weather, the wind, all the small birds, they show up and then they're gone. Yeah, it's gonna be close. Yeah, pushing on. Alright guys, I am back. I got home just as it started to rain. I think the weather's meant to get extra bad soon. Oh, look, it's starling. I think I did alright. I know I definitely missed birds across all 4 tiers. Some of the ones that I thought I would definitely see just did not show up. But then again, I came across a couple that I didn't expect to see at all, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so let me know what you think. It's the first time I've done something like this. I'd probably do it again and make some changes to it. But leave a comment below and tell me what you liked and what you didn't like, and yeah, have a great day. Ka kite anō.